Place the dispenser in its final location and ensure the counter where it will be used can support at least 150 pounds. Attach the rubber feet grips to the feet supports. On portion control models, install the door cover by first plugging the ribbon cables into the appropriate location on the circuit board. A JDF 2S will only need ribbon cables connected to the J2 and J3 pins. A JDF 4S will use pins J2, J3, J4, and J5 for portion control switches and J1 for the cold water dispense switch. On push and hold models without a lighted display, plug the door harness connector into the machine harness connector located at the bottom of the dispenser door. Secure the door cover by using the 5 screws provided. Connect the dispenser to a water source. Remove the drip tray, then remove the 2 screws that secure the splash panel to the dispenser and set the panel aside. Switch the dispense lockout to the off position. Reinstall the drip tray. Remove the fill tube plug and connect the fill tube to the dispense nozzle on the far right. Connect the dispenser to a power source. Press and hold the dispense button above the far right dispense nozzle for 10 seconds. On release, water should continue to be entering the fill tube. The fill timer may time out before filling is complete. Press and hold the dispense button for 10 seconds to start again if needed. Monitor the water bath fill level until the water starts to trickle from the overflow tube. Press the dispense button again to stop the fill process. Allow water to drain from the overflow tube if necessary. Turn on the refrigeration switch. Remove the fill tube from the dispense nozzle and drain any excess water remaining in the tube. Plug the fill tube with the red cap and store the tube back into the dispenser. Turn the dispense lockout switch to the on position. Reinstall the splash panel and drip tray. It will take several hours to create the ice bank required for full dispenser performance. During this time, some further trickling from the water bath is expected due to expansion caused by ice bank formation. While the refrigeration system is creating the ice bank, the dispenser may be readied for loading, priming, and calibrations.